Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Iris USA PowerBrush Cordless Stick Vacuum, a versatile and powerful option designed to tackle low-profile carpets, rugs, and hard floors with ease. Whether you're looking for a vacuum that delivers high suction or need something with a flexible design to reach those tricky spots under furniture, this one promises to check all the boxes. But does it really live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Iris USA PowerBrush Cordless Vacuum is equipped with a 9.2-inch cleaning head designed to efficiently cover a wide surface area in a single pass. The real star here is its cyclone centrifugal separation system, which separates small and large particles while maintaining an impressive 99% suction power throughout the cleaning session. The PowerBrush roller spins at an eye-popping 6,000 RPM to provide powerful, cordless performance, while the main motor ramps up to 60,000 RPM on the high mode, giving you serious suction power when you need it. In terms of runtime, the rechargeable battery can last about 35 minutes on the low setting and around 15 minutes on high. During that time, you're getting full suction power, so there's no need to worry about a gradual decrease in performance. The built-in LED battery indicator lets you keep track of your remaining battery life, so you'll never be left in the dark when it's time for a recharge, which takes around 4 hours. This vacuum is designed to work on various floor types, from hardwood and tile to low-profile rugs. Thanks to its flexible design, the vacuum can lay flat and bend up to 90 degrees, making it easier to reach under beds and other low-clearance furniture. The swivel steering adds to the maneuverability, making cleaning a breeze in tight spaces. You can also remove the middle extender tube for a more compact option, or swap in the included crevice tool for those harder-to-reach spots, like stairs, upholstery, and even the car or RV. When it comes to ease of maintenance, the Iris USA PowerBrush stands out. It features a double filtration system, combining a sponge filter and an exhaust filter to capture fine dust particles, helping to keep the air clean. The dust cup is easy to empty with the press of a button, and it's fully washable, saving you money on replacement bags. In practical terms, this vacuum holds up well in various cleaning scenarios. It easily picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair on hard floors, and the suction power doesn't lose strength even as it transitions from surface to surface. When cleaning rugs, the high RPM of the motor and the PowerBrush roller provide a solid clean, but it's clear this model is most suited to low-profile rugs rather than thicker carpets. The swivel steering and flat design really shine when cleaning under furniture, though it's worth noting that the vacuum's maneuverability can be slightly limited when trying to clean around large obstacles or in very tight corners. The crevice tool is an absolute game changer for cleaning stairs and upholstery. It gets into those nooks and crannies that larger vacuum heads just can't reach. As for long hair, the brush roll did a decent job of picking it up, but like many other vacuums, it did require occasional maintenance to prevent tangling. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the suction power is consistent and impressive, even when the battery is nearing depletion. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and the 90-degree flexibility is a standout feature for cleaning hard-to-reach spots. The double filtration system is a nice touch for keeping the air clean, and the washable dust cup is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. The included attachments, like the crevice tool, make the vacuum versatile, and it's quiet enough for most users. However, the Iris USA PowerBrush isn't without its downsides. The battery life on high is a bit short, clocking in at only 15 minutes, which might be limiting if you have a large area to clean or need extended runtime for a more thorough session. The cleaning power, while strong, is best suited for low-profile carpets and hard floors, so it might not perform as well on deeper pile rugs or high-pile carpets. Also, the full recharge time of 4 hours is a bit lengthy if you need to get back to cleaning quickly. Now, when considering value for money, this vacuum does offer solid performance for its price. It's an excellent choice for those with mostly hard floors or low-profile rugs, as well as pet owners who need a vacuum that can handle hair without much hassle. Compared to other vacuums in a similar price range, it stands out with its powerful suction, versatility, and washable dust cup. There are cheaper options out there, but few can match the suction power and flexibility this model offers. In comparison to other vacuums like the Dyson V8 or the Shark IonFlex, the Iris USA Power Brush holds its ground, especially in terms of suction power and flexibility. The Dyson models tend to be more expensive, and while they offer similar runtime and power, they lack the same price-to-performance ratio. The Shark IonFlex is another direct competitor, with comparable suction power, but it's a bit bulkier and not as flexible when it comes to low-clearance cleaning. The Iris USA vacuum wins in terms of affordability and the number of useful features it packs into its design. Build quality is another area where this vacuum shines. The plastic feels durable and solid, with no creaky parts or flimsy connections. It's lightweight enough for easy use, but it doesn't feel cheap. The brush roll is designed for easy maintenance, though. Like most vacuums, you'll need to clear it of hair periodically. The dust cup is large enough to handle a decent amount of debris before it needs emptying. And the washable filters are an eco-friendly and cost-effective bonus. As for customer support, Iris USA has a solid reputation for handling warranty claims and offering helpful assistance when needed. You'll find that their response times are reasonable, and the process for returns and exchanges is straightforward, which adds a layer of peace of mind to your purchase. So, who is this vacuum best suited for? If you're someone with a mix of hard floors, low-profile rugs, and occasional need for cleaning upholstery or car interiors, this model is a great option. It's especially well-suited to pet owners who need something that can handle pet hair without a lot of maintenance. If you're in a larger home with deep pile carpets, or if you require extended runtime on a single charge, you might want to look at other models with longer battery life and stronger carpet cleaning power. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. If you've tried the Iris USA Power Brush, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. The link to grab yours is in the comments box. Until next time, happy cleaning!